Hey there, my friends. 𝐸H𝐸𝐸 Turnip Seed here, and I'm here to talk to you about how you can build a high dollar, high commission digital business from home, just like I'm home, that brings in payments for you, that helps you really just live the life you want to. I know that's something that I'm passionate about. I'm very passionate about helping people build sustainable digital businesses, not just hop from business opportunity to business opportunity to business opportunity. Because what I've found is when people do that, and I have been guilty of that in the past, it's because I didn't know what to do. I didn't know how to market. I didn't understand. I didn't have an understanding. Nobody ever made it clear to me that in order to create a sustainable digital business, you need to also make sure that your business could pay you life-changing commissions. And I also did not know a daily routine that will position me to consistently get the income that I want if I stuck to the routine, the blueprint, and applied a little bit of discipline and action, that this is what I could have for myself. So that's what I like helping other people do, and that's who I look to align with, are people who understand that they're in this for the long haul. They're tired of hopping from business to business. They want a blueprint and a strategy, and they're ready to get in here and rock it and build these commissions for themselves. So let's get into what this program is. This program that I love is called $25 One Up. And with this program, what I love is the consistency of the income that I'm able to build for myself. In the last 30 days, I've built over $4,800 in income. And this program has paid me over $7,000 for a one-time investment, which I think is amazing. Now, let's go through this. You can see the consistency of the payments that are coming in. I've had several high dollar days. I've had $500 days, $900 days. I'm positioned at enterprise. So here you see I got a $500 payment. I've had several other days where I've had other payments come in. So, I really love this program because it positions you to win and not to break the bank. Okay, because what I mean by that is there's no monthly fees with this. All right, so once you come in, you invest in your business at life-changing commission levels, then you are positioned to earn at that level and all the levels underneath. So let me show you what I'm talking about, and then I'll explain. All right, so we have several levels that you can come in at. Gold is $25 one time. Nobody on my team comes in at gold. So if you are looking to align with me, gold is not where you position yourself. And that is because, again, I want people to earn life-changing commissions for themselves. Everyone on my empire positions themselves at platinum. Platinum is 125 one time, and you are eligible to earn $125 commissions. Okay, and I love that. So, with that, when you come in at gold, people say, well, what is the products? You're going to get pre-written ads to help you go out and market your business. You're going to get a Facebook group cheat sheet. You're going to get mindset training, which is a large part of Success Online. And then at platinum, you're going to get all the things that gold, plus you're going to get Facebook marketing video course, YouTube marketing video course, Instagram, and some things that allow you to brand yourself. Okay. Now, there are other levels, and I'll show you the level I'm at. I'm at enterprise level, where it positions me to create $500 days. I say position yourself as high as you can, as soon as you can. If you can start high, then do that, because now you're eligible to earn commissions at that level and all the levels underneath. All right. So that's what I like, is being able to earn those commissions. But at minimum, everyone who aligns with me starts at platinum so that they can create true income for themselves and get the bonuses that I'm going to show you in a second. All right, diamond level is $250, okay? And you're going to get all the gold level features, the platinum level features, and then you're going to get some other things, like you're going to learn list building. All right, you're going to learn, the thing that I'm most excited about in here is the 10K blueprint. You're going to learn how to build a $10,000 a month business from home. And at the enterprise level, which is the $500 level, you're going to get all the gold, diamond, platinum features. And then you're going to get some other things like how to close high ticket sales using videos. Okay. You're going to learn how to systemize your online business. You're going to learn video marketing, just like you're watching now. How do you turn videos into profits? Okay, so what I love most about this program is, one, it's digital. It's 100% digital. Everything that we do is online, okay? And anywhere you have your phone or your computer, then you can be in profit mode, okay? The other thing that I like is that um, the profits from this are instant. Okay, so when you receive a commission, you don't have to wait till Thursday or Friday payday. Every day is payday with this program. Okay, and that's what I like about it. The other thing I like is that there's no monthly fees. So once you come into this program, position yourself to start a digital business, right? A business, right? Once you do that, then you go out there and you start earning, right? You know, whereas there's programs that you have to pay a monthly auto ship. Well, what if you didn't have your monthly auto ship for that month? Is your business gonna fail? Right? Are you going to close shop in your business because you can't afford your auto ship or whatever, right? You're always in position to own your business and to keep rocking because of this digital business. Now, there's also one thing that I do want to point out that I really enjoy about this program is called passive commissions. This is one of the programs that I feel positions you. There's an incentive built in to help your people, and I help my people. Reason being is when you come into this program, and let's say Ashandra came into my program, okay? Now it's an incentive in there for me to help Ashandra because when I help Ashandra, she goes ahead, gets started. Her first commission she keeps. Her second commission gets passed up to me, and the same will happen to Ashandra, right? Leverage, okay? So now I'm like, in other programs, I'm sure people have partnered with people and they're like, they never help me, right? There's no incentive for them to help you. Right? So I help my people by plugging them into a blueprint. They get plugged into my tribe, which is very active. We're in there every day talking, asking questions, giving each other feedback, so on and so forth, right? So I plug them into the blueprint, and the blueprint for me is, I spent a lot of time failing online, just failing horribly, wasting thousands of dollars on traffic, not knowing what to do, trying things every day with consistency that did not work. And I just wanted somebody to tell me what was going to work. So you know what? I invested heavily in coaching. And I learned some great things that have helped me to create multiple income streams across different programs. Guess what I did? I dumbed that down and gave my team a simple routine that applied with consistency. They can duplicate exactly what I have done. And guess what? The people who have done it, they are winning. Savella has created $500 plus days for herself. Nettie is out there crushing it. Tanya is crushing it. Kiki, all I could just keep going. Tom, people in my tribe who they're crushing it. Ashandra, and they're also on the leaderboard. Carlin, right? Duplicating my blueprint that I created for our tribe. All right. So when you position yourself with this one-time pay program, you're going to get access to my membership area that I've created. All right. And your people get access to it, right? Duplication, right? So they're going to get access to where I'm going to walk you through step by step what you need to know. You're going to get my blueprint where I walk through the daily routines that you need to do in order to, use video marketing, use social media, leverage social media, and be able to build a sustainable digital business. All right. I also provide tons of free traffic strategies. And these aren't just traffic strategies that like, well, let's hope and pray and hope these work. These are things that I've tested, that I know that work and that I'm using. See, I don't endorse anything that I don't use in my own business. So when you see those commission levels, that's what I'm passing off to my team is strategy. All right, because we're not in competition. My tribe, I'm invested in their success as much as they are invested in mine, right? We are linked. All right, so they're going to get access to that. And when people come in at VIP levels, which are diamond and enterprise, you want to come in at that level because not only do you position yourself to earn more money, but in your business, but you're going to get access to a separate membership area. And in that membership area, I have made, I basically shared the formula for video marketing. I've shared the formula for leveraging social media to attract, okay? Which is what you want. You don't want to be chasing people. You want to attract people, okay? There's other strategies that they get in my blueprint, such as how closing, marketing, follow-up, so on and so forth, right? Basic skill sets. So my tribe is learning skill sets and not learning gimmicks. Because what yesterday in my tribe, I had a conversation with my tribe. I said, guys, I'm going to show you how to leverage your tools and bring in an extra $2,000 a month for yourself. When they learn my blueprint, they can go out and they can create multiple income streams. So it's really not about, some people teach gimmicks. They're like, hey, I'm going to teach you this, I don't know, whatever strategy. I'm going to teach you this Facebook strategy. I'm going to teach you this copy and paste method. I'm going to teach you this Craigslist strategy. Well, that's nice. That method will help you create a monthly income. But will it be sustainable, right? Could you duplicate that for multiple months and have income coming in every month, right? And great income? Could you do that? Probably not. Probably not. So what I teach my team is how to create a sustainable digital business and learn simple strategies that allow them for the long haul to create a business and not just have a one-up. I had a great week, or I had a great month. Well, then what about next month? And what about the month after that? Skill sets will always help you create, a sustainable digital business. So that's what I help people do. I hope this was of value to you. Here's what I want you to do. Like, comment, and subscribe. Check out the comment section below. There'll be some information about how you can learn more about this awesome digital business and get connected to me, and, get started with this and position with this program. All right. Again, I recommend people come in at Diamond or Enterprise, but you can start at Platinum and get started and be in position to win. All right. That's it. I'll see you guys later. Bye.